Good morning, welcome back to Visual Fitness. I am Annette, I'm a certified personal trainer, soon to be nutrition coach and yoga instructor. Today we are going to be working on flexibility. This workout does have a bit of a warm up and a cool down. Ultimately everything's kind of related. It's a lot of yoga poses, a lot of stretching. All of these moves are going to be focused on helping with flexibility, improving your joint range of motion, and we're just going to kind of feel it out. We're going to start by loosening up a little bit. You are going to need a mat for this workout or somewhere cushy to do your stretchings. So we're going to start standing and we're going to do some shoulder rotations. We're going to go back just a couple times. And forward. Really loosening up those joints, those shoulder blades. We're gonna do some torso rotations. Don't force this one, just kind of go back and forth to wherever you're comfortable. Don't pull anything. You can keep your hands at your side or on your hips. Whatever's more comfortable. Then we're gonna be getting down on the mat, go up into an overhead stretch. And then you're going to go down into down dog, coming down onto the elbows for a dolphin pose. From here, you're going to walk the feet back into a dolphin plank. Push up onto your hands. Back to down dog. And then you're going to bring one foot forward on your outside foot. We're going to go up into warrior one. Turn the arms out, hit your plants, and go into warrior two. Drop down. And then we're going to come back down, switch your feet, come up into warrior one. Arms down into two. And then drop, and then come down into triangle. Hands both on the mat, turn back, down to your knees, and then you're gonna come down, elbows and hands on the mat, and go into Sphinx. From here, we're going to push up, back onto our knees, head up into down dog, swing one leg up, Bring it forward into pigeon. Push back into down dog. Opposite leg up. And bring it forward. Now we're gonna go back into down dog and walk the feet up. Hold in a forward fold for just a minute. Slowly roll yourself back up to standing. Pick your starting leg, put the arms forward, raise your leg, and grab it. If you need to touch something for stability, we're gonna go into dancer's pose. And then from here, we're gonna do warrior 3. Lower the foot. Switch your balancing leg. Back into dancers. And then into warrior 3. Lower the leg. Center on your mat, you're going to go up into a mountain pose. Get a slight back bend. Center again. Back bend. And then we're going to roll into a forward fold. And then we're going to rock. You can leave your hands down. Grab your heels for stability, or your elbows, and just hang and rock. Roll back up. And come to center. Ooh, that one felt good. So that is it for today's workout. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget you can return to any video in the Fit 66 playlist down below any day that you need a workout, a stretch, some little motivation to get you through the challenge. Congratulations on making it to day 16, and we'll see you tomorrow.